Hello to the fyotyal! I'm so excited to share this with you, my recipe for beef burger steak. Promise, it's so easy to cook and lami kayo! Hey, welcome back to my channel and please don't forget to subscribe as well. So to start with, ganaganing, for instance, we may be craving for something like food just like adikaron. So mao ni siya ang mga ingredients that we need. 2 slices of white bread, beef broth cubes, 500 grams ground beef, 1 small onion or bombay in bisaya, 1 egg, salt or asin, and black pepper to taste. We need also oil for cooking, and lastly 1 can of button mushroom. And next for gravy, 1/4 cup butter, 1/4 cup flour, 2 cups of water with 1 beef broth cube, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper to taste. Since we got all the ingredients, we will make now our own Jollibee, McDonald's, or Orange Brutus inspired burger steak with mushroom gravy. Lami. So, unsa man, ready na? Okay, let's go. Let's do it. First is to cut into small pieces the 2 slices of white bread. Dissolve the beef broth cube in 1/4 cup of hot water. Then pour this into a small bowl with white breads and turn it into small pieces. So kusi-kusion jud ni siya og maayo. Grate the onions instead of chopping. This makes the meat patties juicier, more flavorful, and no chunks of onion to bite into. Beat well the egg. Into a big bowl, mix the ground beef with grated onion, the white bread, and well-beaten egg. And take note, do not overmix. Just combine the ingredients lightly. Add some salt and black pepper to taste. Make patties a little larger than you like, as they will shrink when they cook. Gently press in the center of each patty to make a slight indentation using our thumb. So first, we have to cook the mushroom for about 1 to 2 minutes, and then remove from the pan and keep warm. Next is to cook the beef patties for about 1 to 2 minutes each side, or until lightly browned. Di siya kanang overcook ha. Then remove from the pan and keep warm. Yes, so gamay na lang jud kuwang. So for gravy, over a medium heat pan, melt the butter, Then sprinkle the flour and whisk until smooth and blended. Add 2 cups of hot water with dissolved beef broth cube. Whisk until smooth and continue to cook until the sauce begins to thicken. Then you can add some salt and black pepper to taste. These are only optionals. I add some chili flakes and oyster sauce. Now it's time to add the meat patties in a single layer in the pan. Just lower the heat, cover, and continue to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes or until meat is fully cooked. And lastly, add mushrooms during the last 5 minutes. So this is it. Yeah, ta-da-da! For garnishing, you can add some chopped green onions or sibuyas tahunan in bisaya. Yes, and we did it. So mga unta ninyo guys.
Hamong dito alis. Look at that siya.
One hour later. 2 hours later.
Lami kayo.
Doon mo lamig kayo.
Bye! Hi, Ate Alice. Hi.
Adios.
Daghang salamat for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and follow me on my other social media accounts and let me know about this recipe. Stay home and amping.